Welcome to Health Journey. If you're looking for a way to supercharge your health with natural ingredients, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a simple yet powerful combination: lemon, raw turmeric, and beetroot juice. This magical drink is more than just refreshing. It's packed with benefits that can transform your health. In this video, we'll explore 6 reasons why you should add lemon and raw turmeric to beetroot juice. From boosting your immunity to enhancing your skin's glow, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned for a recipe and tips to incorporate this drink into your routine. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Let's embark on this journey together. 1. Detoxifies and supports your liver. Beetroot juice is already famous for detoxifying the liver, but adding lemon and turmeric takes it to the next level. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Food Science, show that curcumin can improve liver function by reducing oxidative stress. Why lemon? Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps flush out toxins and stimulates liver enzymes. Imagine your liver as a hard-working janitor, cleaning up the mess in your body. Lemon and turmeric act like the mop and cleaning solution, making its job easier. Have you ever tried a detox drink before? Let us know your favorite recipe in the comments. 2. Boosts immunity. With the combined powers of lemon, turmeric, and beetroot, this drink becomes an immunity superhero. Beetroot, high in nitrates, it improves blood flow and oxygen delivery. Turmeric fights off infections with its anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon provides a burst of vitamin C to ward off colds and flu. Think of this drink as a protective shield, fortifying your body against invaders. What's your go-to remedy when you feel under the weather? Share your tips below. 3. Supports heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but this magical drink can help keep your heart in great shape. Beetroot. Its nitrates lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Turmeric. Curcumin prevents plaque buildup in arteries. Lemon reduces cholesterol levels and enhances circulation. Picture your heart as a race car engine. This juice is the premium fuel it needs to keep running smoothly, no matter how far you go. Have you ever monitored your blood pressure? Let us know how you take care of your heart. 4. Improves skin health glow from within with the beauty-enhancing properties of this drink. Lemon flushes out toxins, leaving your skin radiant. Turmeric reduces inflammation and fights acne-causing bacteria. Beetroot, packed with antioxidants, it improves skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. Drinking this juice is like giving your skin a spa treatment from the inside out. Struggling with acne or dull skin? Try this juice and share your results in the comments. 5. Enhances digestion. Good digestion is key to overall health, and this drink works wonders for your gut. Turmeric stimulates bile production, aiding digestion. Lemon alkalizes the stomach and prevents indigestion. Beetroot improves gut motility and supports healthy gut bacteria. Think of your digestive system as a well-oiled machine. This drink is the maintenance it needs to run smoothly. Have you ever had digestive issues? What's your favorite remedy? Reduces inflammation and pain. If you suffer from chronic pain or inflammation, this drink can be a game changer. Turmeric. Curcumin has been shown in numerous studies to reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis. Beetroot. Its betalains are natural anti-inflammatory agents. Lemon helps balance the body's pH, reducing inflammation. Imagine putting out a fire in your body. This drink is the water hose that soothes the flames. Do you or someone you know struggle with inflammation? Share this video with them. It could be life-changing. Lemon, raw turmeric, and beetroot juice isn't just a drink, it's a health elixir. From detoxifying your liver to enhancing your skin and heart health, the benefits are undeniable. Now it's your turn. Which benefit are you most excited about? Have you tried this magical combination before? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Journey for more natural health tips. Cheers to your health.